Hi, I'm Shantae, and I love my country, but it doesn't love me back. As a woman who lives in a country that says it loves me, we are murdered mercilessly. We are denied the right to bodily autonomy. And every day we say a prayer to a sister that we have lost. I love my country, but it doesn't love me back. Whether lesbian, bisexual, or transgender, the reality is I'm denied certain privileges, like holding hands and kissing in public, planning a wedding for my family to attend, being outcasted from family dinners, being dead to my family and society. I love my country, but it doesn't love me back. For my little sisters and my unborn daughter, will you listen to them before it's too late? Will you grant them the opportunity to access information for them to make the decision for themselves? Will you create a world for them that is free from violence and sexual exploitation? I love my country. Will it love me back? Unconditionally and without judgment. Because I am Jamaican, and we are Jamaicans.
And the world is full of hopeless people and clean people. Say you love them.